Hi guys, in this video we'll talk about how to fix League of Legends like reconnect loop issue. Like if you're facing this bug, so how can you fix this? So we'll go through this step by step and let's see, try these methods. First is run League as admin via properties. After that, like update your network adapter, change your DNS, download and install Windows updates, and remove Citrix workspace and ensure no security software is integrating, like interfering with your game, and disable debug memory dump. So these are like 7 solutions which you can try. So first is run League as admin. So as you can see here, just go to Windows logo plus R, and from here just copy this like C/Riot Games /League of Legends /games and hit enter. And once you're here in this folder, so just click on the properties, and once you click on properties, just go to compatibility and run this program as an admin. So just select this and hopefully your issue will be solved. Click on apply, okay, save it. And if it does not work for you, so here is the second solution: update your network adapter driver. So first of all, as you can see, like you can easily do it through the window update. So just ignore the software, so you can just update your windows and your drivers will be automatically updated. And the third thing is like change your DNS server address. Just go to Windows plus R, and once you click on it, just enter CMD and press enter. And after that, just enter this text: ipconfig/flush DNS. And once you enter, as you can see, you are successfully flushed DNS resolver cache. And once you're seeing this interface, on the taskbar, right click on network icon and open network and internet settings. So just go to this setting, and from here you can choose change adapter options. So once you're in the, like, you can enter this text, open network and internet setting and change adapter options, or like you can go to advanced settings. Your option might be a little bit of different. And once you do it, just click on properties, select your connected internet at the time. As you can see, my Wi-Fi is connected, so I will select my Wi-Fi. And once you select your Wi-Fi, just click on properties, and from properties choose the IPv4 protocol. Click on properties, and once you click on properties, you can like prefer DNS server. As you can see, like 8.8.8.8, you can try this DNS, or like alternate DNS server is 8.8.4.4. so you can enter, like, try both of them. Click on save and click on OK, and hopefully your issue will be solved. And that is a complete and simple process of how you can like solve your League of Legends reconnect loop issue in 2025.